Okay, so I'm using Visual Studio Code, and this is my index.html. So the title of my page is Natasha, and then this is the body. I'm using Times New Roman. So the first CSS style is header. I'm using the padding, text align, color, font style, background color, and there's also header H1 and P, which is heading 1, and paragraph, which I use in the body. As you can see, hi, my name is the heading 1, and then the paragraph is Natasha for the header. And then as you can see, I'm using the italic style for the header, and then for heading 1 I use 30 px size pixel, and then the paragraph I'm using 25 pixel. The second one is navigation bar, so I'm using top navigation. So this is the CSS style for the navigation bar. As you can see, there's also drop down in one of the menus. Okay, next up is the navigation bar. This is the body for navigation bar. So as you can see, the active one right now is home or the index.html. So the color will be different from the others that are not active. And then there's drop down on about, and then there's also profile. The drop down menus are profile, family, and education. And then there's gallery, and then contact. Okay, so for this part, this is a responsive page which will change based on what device you use to open the website. So it will change based on the maximum width. Okay, next I'm using row, side, and main tag, HTML tags for the body part also. So I'm using row for a small side, left side content, which is about me, and there's a profile, and then fun facts about me in quotes. And for the main, I'm using it for pictures about me and news. And then lastly is footer. I'm using footer tags, and this is the body for the footer, which is thank you for your time. So this is how the index.html page looks like. So as you can see, the header is in italic, and the size for heading 1 and paragraph is in different size. And then as you scroll down, you can see the row and the main, which is and then the footer, as you can see, thank you for your time. And then there's menus and the drop down menus, and you cannot see it, but there's like light green on the home because it's active. So there's my picture, and then quotes, and then fun facts about me on the left side. And then on the right side you can see news, not like news but blog post about me. Moving on, this is one of the drop down menu page, which is profile. So everything is the same. The header, the footer, and the menus are the same like index.html. The only difference here are I'm adding title CSS style, and yeah, I'm using that. I'm adding pictures, and then I name it title, and then I put my biodata there, name, and I'm using data list if I'm not mistaken. And then I'm sorry, that's definition list. And then there's definition terms and definition, I'm sorry, I forgot what is it. So the terms I'm using is like name, age, date of birth, and the data is my name, my age, my date of birth, and so on. So this is the when I click the profile menu, so this will pop up my biodata with pictures and the list, and then there's the footer down there. Okay, the third one is the family .html. This is one of the drop down menus, which is the same like profile 2 and index, the header, footer, and menus, but the only difference here I added a box sizing border box container in image, and also overlay for the picture. And then as you can see, there's also row and column, which is like there's one row and two column for two pictures. So for the body, as you can see, the first column is my parents' picture, the second column is my little brother's picture. Okay, if I click on the family menu, so it will pop up this, my family pictures. So there's my mom and dad page on the first column, and the second column is my little brother's page with me. The last drop down menu is education.html with the same header, footer, and menus, just different active menus. And the only difference is I added a title there for my student ID card, which I'm currently studying, where I'm currently studying. So I'm adding my image, my student ID image, and then my name, and then my student ID, program, and institute where I'm currently studying. Okay, and then I'm adding another title, which is results, and then I added table to list down all my results from SPM trial until I'm on fourth semester right now. Okay, so I will show you how it looks like. But before that, there's like HTML link to the each level of studying. So there's SEM trial, SPM, SEM 1, SEM 2, and SEM 3. So I'm changing the because I forgot to change it. So as you can see, it displays the image on the center, and then there's like heading 2, which to display the name of the results lah. And then there's like image source, which is different for each SEM. Okay, so this is how it looks like when you click on it. So it says education there, and then there's my student ID, name, student ID, program, and institute where I'm currently studying. And then the next one is results. So it says the level, year, and sleep. So it lists down all the SPM trial and the year, and so there's like link there. And so when you click on it, it will display the results like this. Okay, so the third page is gallery.html. So it's just the same thing, the same header, footer, and menus. But this page it has like list of grids of pictures of mine and my family and scenery. So as you can see the bottom, and this page also has the responsive page or layout, which will change based on the devices you're using to open the website. So there's row, column, and column image. The column create 4 equal columns that sit next to each other. It says there. So this is the body for the grid of images. So as you can see, one column have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 picture in one column. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So you click on the menu gallery. So it says photos there, and it lists down a variety of pictures, my pictures, scenery pictures, and pictures of me with my family in grid and in one row, but 4 columns. The last HTML page is contact with the same header but no footer because it doesn't suit the website design, and the same menus, but the only difference is I'm using icon only with no CSS style. So as you can see there, the class active is on contact HTML. So this is the list of contacts. So I'm putting Facebook icon, Google icon, YouTube icon, and IG icon with the different weight on Facebook because of the website design. So I'm also linking my account for Facebook and Google, YouTube on the Facebook tags, on the tags itself. So I'm going to show you. So when you click on the contact menu, it will list down all the icon. So if you click on the link, which the Facebook, which I already linked with my Facebook, so it will open the link. So this is like open my Facebook link. So I'm going to try another one, which is my YouTube account. So I'm going to click on the YouTube, and then it will show you my YouTube account. It's going to take a while, sorry. Okay, so this is my YouTube account. So this is where the link are going to lead you. So that is all for my personal website. Sorry for any mistakes, and thank you.